OnePlus 13 Pro smartphone. The smartphone manufacturing technology has expanded significantly, with many companies now introducing new technology in their smartphones. According to the latest information, OnePlus may soon launch its OnePlus 13 Pro smartphone, which is expected to feature a powerful 200-megapixel primary camera sensor. This would make it a superior option compared to other smartphones on the market due to its premium features and modern specifications. In addition to its impressive camera, the OnePlus 13 Pro is also expected to have a powerful battery. OnePlus 13 Pro camera quality. If information is given about the camera quality of the OnePlus 13 Pro smartphone, then with the latest technology, now you can get a 200-megapixel primary camera sensor available in this 5G smartphone. Along with it also gets a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor, which you will get a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. Talking about the selfie camera of this smartphone OnePlus company, you can also get to see a 32-megapixel front camera available, which will become a much better option in terms of camera quality. Specifications and features of OnePlus 13 Pro. When it comes to specifications and features, the OnePlus 13 Pro smartphone offers 5G network connectivity and is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. It boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, providing high-quality visuals. The smartphone is powered by a 4800 mAh battery and supports 200W fast charging, allowing the battery to reach full capacity in just 15 minutes. Additionally, it is compatible with a 67-watt wireless charger. OnePlus 13 Pro smartphone price. If information about the potential price is given, then according to the latest report, OnePlus company can now launch its OnePlus 13 Pro smartphone with premium specifications and modern features with a starting price of Rs 5,000, with which price this smartphone will be very much liked in the segment with good camera quality and powerful battery.